good. Maybe this will have a better shot at them.
Oh, nope.
Yeah, there we go.
That works so much better.
There we are. Got it. Shame Cohen existed 70 years ago. He'd probably be a top-rated critic on YouTube. Ha ha ha. Again, I need those enzymes. They'd be so much useful right now. But of course I don't have those. No. I need kerosene. Okay, so I need kerosene, rubber hoses, and shell casings, which I do not have any for. But I have enough for heat-seeking RPG. Well, at least one heat-seeking RPG.
Okay.
I'll do.
What does RPG stand for again?
Rocket-propelled grenade.
Huh.
So basically, yeah, they're basically a heat-seeking missile.
Okay.
Could you possibly think I would meet with my public now when I'm preparing? Unbelievable.
Hey, Voice and Saga, have you ever gotten drunk before?
We don't like talking about it.
Yeah.
That's a
personal thing.
Yes.
Okay, what's your favorite alcoholic beverage?
I prefer. Well, it depends. Mixed drinks, hurricanes. Those are my favorite. That's my favorite mixed drink. But as far as like beer, Sam Adams Porch Rocker.
Honestly, when it comes to me, I do not like the taste of alcohol at all. So if you give me an alcoholic drink where I can just barely taste it, I would love it. My mom actually makes some really good cookie dough. It's basically coconut milk mixed with cream and coconut rum. You can barely taste the rum.
Alright, screw this. Come on. Let me out of here.
Is that bulletproof glass?
Kinda is. Hang on. Actually, let me see if I can telekinesis this.
Okay.
Nope.
Never heard of a hurricane before. What's a hurricane?
It is it's a southern drink. It's rum and it's like 4 different types of rum mixed with like cranberry juice, pineapple juice. It's made famous in New Orleans. Pat O'Brien's is known for their Oh, there we go. That works.
Okay.
Pat O'Brien's is known for their
The door is locked until later. Take the elevator.
Oh, for crying out loud! It won't let me use the elevator.
That's why he's trying to break the glass.
Okay, I might have missed something. I'm gonna figure out if I... What the heck did I miss? Please don't tell me I'm trapped here. Hang on.
Well, that's not good.
Well, allow me to... Dang it, I think I might be stuck.
Whoops.
Oh boy, let's see. Hang on. Is there a... Nope. Doors like... Not let me take the elevator. Why is it not letting me take the elevator?
I don't know. Sorry.
Hang on. Let's head on back to the atrium. Let's see. How am I... Yeah, I'm just gonna look at the map. Yeah, it's not...
As far as I know, you're going in the right direction.
Yeah, it's not letting me get in, and I have no clue why. Oh, hang on. I think I missed a,
What did you miss?
What did let's see if we can purchase some more things. Armor, I need armor-piercing rounds. Yeah, that's about all I can do for now. Yeah, what? Will it not let me hack this? Huh, it's not. Alright.
Oh darn.
Yep. Alright, let's try this again. Go on up to the fleet hall. Center in. Here, do I have to take a ticket or something? Okay, now I'm supposed to go left. This way. Okay, something is off. Why am I not being able to... Oh, that's why, because I didn't push the button.
Whoops. Hang on, go back to the glass door.
Going, honey.
It looked like it healed itself.
Yeah, I think it did.
Oh, video game logic.
Take that, bees. Go bees. There we go. Okay. All because I didn't push the button. Anyway. Off to
No.
upper level.
Mr. Cole. Silence.
It's Patrick. Ooh.
Allegro.
Okay. There yet.
Da. Presto. No. I'm trying. Please.
Once again, young Fitzpatrick.
Wait, hang on.
What?
Is that supposed to be...
Da. No.
What?
No.
Hang on.
Oh God, you sick fuck! Let me out of there.
Oh, jeez.
Calm down now, little more. Life, death. The burden of the artist is to capture.
Holy crap, I can't believe I was actually able to capture that.
And now you've got Fitzpatrick caught in his moment of glory. It seems you've got the eye of the shutterbug, little moth.
Wow, I was actually supposed to do that?
The atrium.
Wait, what were you
Place
supposed to
his
say?
photograph in my
Photograph the guy that
masterpiece.
just exploded.
And so our collaboration
Uh-huh.
commences.
Okay, still on for Frolic, or did you make it to Hephaestus? Just wondering.
I'm still in Fort Frolic. I've not made it to Hephaestus yet. Let's see.
Well, good luck. Apparently, there are many people in the chat who have not had a good experience with Hephaestus.
Okay. Well, it shouldn't be... Oh, right. Well, I know there's one... Well, as long as I have, like, the right plasmas out, I should be fine. Oh, hello.
What is that?
Something I can't reach yet. Hang on. Might have to go up and grab it. Come on. Nope. I go backstage. Come on. There's... Come on. Here? Nope, wrong one. One more door. There's something underneath. Oh, here we are. Machine gun rounds. 12 of them, anyway. Trying to towards health. But just to be safe. more down. What? Why can't I open the door? Come on. Hang on. Yeah. Move out of the way. I'm not. Really? Oh, come on. I just want to grab the tonic. Oh, you piece of garbage.
I think it's telling you something. The game's telling you need to stop. This is an intervention, honey. You're addicted to tonics.
All I'm trying to do is grab the tonic from there. It's not, and I can't grab within my reach. It's right there, and I can't get the door open.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
See if there's a. Yeah. No. Light here. It does not appear like there is a light. Darn. Okay, back to the. Yeah, where am I supposed to go? Wait, actually, can I? Actually, I might be able to jump onto that. Give me a sec. Onto the other balcony. Yeah, give me a sec.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Here we go. I got it. There we go. Alarm expert. It's the staple in the hacks. Hacksmart line G Tonics alarm expert. Use your body's electrochemical composition to diffuse circuitry alarms. Try today. 2 fewer alarm tiles when okay, this is when hacking. Okay. You know what? I think that's fine. Don't need it.
What an outstanding display of